What is going on out there, YouTube? Ryan McNaughton here, aka Mr. Entertainment, back once again with another video. I'm opening 3 Hot Wheels today, as you can see. But here's the first one here. We have the Muscle Tone. There's the card art, of course. Join Team Hot Wheels, you could win one of 2,500 prizes. There's a card art. Alright, here's the back of the card. You can pause it if you want to read it if you want to. Alright. Here it is. It's baseball themed car, Muscle Tone. I have the other Muscle Tone, it's yellow-ish, with a T on its thing, but now we have the baseball themed car, 2000 Mattel. Next is the Fairlady 2000, new for 2017. Here's the card art. Oh, fell down. Here's the back of the card. You want to go ahead and pause it if you want to read it if you want to. So, alright. It's kind of greenish. Datsun. Yokohama. Here it is, the Fairlady 2000. I think it's actually the Datsun Fairlady 2000. I should have named it after that, but they printed it short. But now, Muscle Bound, new for 2019. Here. There's the card art. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and pause it if you want to read it if you want to. So, alright. Part of the Speed Blur series, actually. Here's this Muscle Bound, new for 2018 Mattel. Alright, it's green, monster-ish. Thank you so much for watching. I just reviewed the 3 cars. Make sure you subscribe, and goodbye.